Vlogmas Day 2. Just pulled up to Best Buy. As you can see, I'm gonna go in here and see if they gonna swap this camera lens out for me, man. Because we need that, chat. We need that. Straight up. We got to have that. That's gonna make my life a whole lot easier. For real, for real. A whole lot. How's it going? I'm alright. Here we go, chat. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Hopefully they messing with your boy. Let's find out. They got music playing in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna see what they say. I'm gonna let y'all know. Tap back in with y'all. Chat. We got a new camera. I guess we doing an unboxing. That's crazy. Who would ever thought, bro? And that's the beauty, bro, about doing the YouTube thing. Like, you don't gotta overthink it. Like, planning the videos, like, what am I gonna do today? What am I gonna record and playing videos, bro? Like, just turn your camera on and it'll naturally happen. Sony Alpha ZV E10. What's happening? Welcome to the family, gang. Y'all got a Sony Alpha now, bro. I should have took the battery out. That other one, low key, I should have kept that battery. It did come with a charger. She sure said. Oh wait, this come with two chargers? Hold on. Oh no, that's a wall piece. Okay, so that's the battery. I was finna say, yeah. And then it came with a wall piece charger. I thought it came with two batteries, girl. I was finna be geeked. What's this? Oh, this one comes with a mic. That's probably part of that $200 extra deal. So it come with a little, like a little small mic to go in there for, I guess it's for the vlogging. But I got a nice mic, rodeo mic at the crib, so that's gonna go in there. Might not use that. Here we go. New camera. Who's this? Man, this one feels a little more heavier. We got the Sony Alpha. You know what? This camera is a lot more simpler. Yep. This camera is a lot more simpler than the other camera. So on the other camera, bro, it had all the other settings. That's probably why. For the photography portion. Yeah, I don't have the eyesight to take the pictures with. Chat, I don't know. This might be going back. See, that's why you gotta do your research for real. This might be a temporary camera I'm gonna use this for the week. Cause you got, like, bro, I'm gonna keep the receipt. This might be going back. I liked having the photos just in case. Like, I was planning on getting my photography going too. Like, this camera is clearly strictly for videos. Like, there's nothing on here to take a picture with. Like, the eyesight thing is gone. The flash ain't on here. I'm gonna go back to Alpha. I'm gonna just be honest. And then this, like honestly, I mean, I can see myself better, but I don't know. But I'm gonna play around with this for a day or two and see what the quality look like. But this might be going back because now I'm feeling like I had the best of both worlds when I had the Alpha A6100. I had the best of both worlds when I had the Alpha A6100 because I could take pictures and I could record video, and it was still 4K. And then this one, they saying the video quality is better, but the picture quality is down. But this is a better camera. So it's like, I guess you can still take pictures. And then you can look at the settings and, like, it's way more simplified. Like, there's not much in there. Like, that Sony Alpha was, like, kind of complex. Like, I had all the modes, manual, auto. Like, I could pick the mode. This one is simply just on, off, video recorder. Do you want to take a picture? Oh, that's the record. Yeah, I'm gonna sit on it for a couple days, y'all. Chat, do my research on the internet again, and I don't know. Part of me feel like I should just go back and get the one that I had. They didn't have it in stock though, so I might go to a different Best Buy tomorrow. I don't know. I'll give it 3 days. I'm gonna try 3 days, record with it, and that's gonna be that. Yeah, pretty much. Well, early Christmas present for myself, I guess, and for y'all, so the content's better, because this camera, it's doing the job. It's doing the job, but it just ain't doing what. It be like grainy. It be looking all clear when I be recording on the phone, but then once I get to the like editing process and on the computer and stuff, it be looking like mad grainy. So we gonna hold on to this here recept. We're gonna make sure this. I'm already dropping stuff to the camera. Came with a Sony lantern, I guess. But yeah, I'm keeping everything because that might be going back, cuz. Well, chat, once again, I'm finna just go home and chill out. Thank y'all for tuning in with your boy. Come to Best Buy with me. Like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Tap back in with me tomorrow. We doing Vlogmas Day 3. We rolling, man. We steady rolling and steady rolling. I ain't gonna start rolling. Hey, and don't forget, go Broncos, man. 10-2, cuz. 10-2. We really should be undefeated, but that's a conversation for another day. But once again, thank y'all for tapping in with me. Like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, mess with your boy.